Hello, this is Randy Wostrowski, a director with the Spectrem Group. Right now, you're taking a look at our newest technology, Spectrem's Visual Analytics. This is a proprietary data visualization tool that encompasses all of our research with wealthy investors who are worth anywhere from $100,000 to $25 million in net worth, not including their primary residence. As I'll demonstrate for you in a little bit, and as you can see here, this research is presented in the form of dashboards, consisting of charts and tables presented together, based on like topics. Our clients who are users of Spectrem's Visual Analytics have the ability to quickly view and analyze our data in multiple ways by allowing them to drill down and filter data by the segments most relevant to them, their firm, and their strategic goals. I'm clicking on the Hot Topics dashboard right now, which brings us to some of our monthly research and insights when we're asking questions of these wealthy investors about some of the most relevant topics of the day. Certainly one of those is investing in marijuana. It's a booming industry. We've seen many different stocks that have gone public representing the industry, and it's certainly something from a political standpoint is definitely top of mind right now for many states, municipalities, and even on a federal level. When you're looking at Spectrem's Visual Analytics, you can see all of these different filters we have at the top of the page. This is what will allow you to take a look at various demographic segmentation based on all of the research that we do. You can see as an example here age, gender, marital status, occupation, and a variety of others that do allow you to drill down, making sure that you're looking at data in the most relevant way possible to you. So here you can see we have some questions at the top of the page. Are you invested in products related to the distribution, marketing of marijuana? What are you looking at from an approval and legalization of marijuana from a recreational standpoint? And a couple of different numbers there. But take a look here on the right-hand side. 4% of these respondents are invested, and 52% approve of the legalization. When I go to the age demographic filter here, I'm going to select Millennials and Generation X. And when I click on Update, you see on the bottom of the screen that everything has changed a little bit. And now you have 12% of the respondents who are currently invested in products or services related to the distribution and marketing of marijuana. And now you have 60%, so even more than 52, that approve of the legalization of recreational marijuana. So this is something where, again, not only by age, but all of those different filters you see at the top of the page, you're able to look at our data, not just in our hot topics, but all of the data and all of the survey questions we ask among wealthy investors in the Wealthy Investor series, and utilize this different filter or these different filters, again, to focus on the demographics that are of top of mind and the utmost important to you and your organization right now. One of the really interesting parts about Spectrem's Visual Analytics is the ease in which you can export data. And so by that I mean all you have to do is go over here and click on the Export button and then generate PowerPoint report. And then depending on the speed of your computer, and your internet connection, it takes anywhere from 30 to about 90 seconds to actually have the ability to extract the data that you just filtered down by Millennials and Generation X, or whatever filter you chose to utilize, open the file in a separate zip, and then open it right in PowerPoint. And so that's something from a usability standpoint that previously, if our clients wanted to do that, and export data after using different demographic filters, they wouldn't have the ability to do that on their own. And through Spectrem's Visual Analytics, that is something that is allowed now. After you've exported the data with Millennials and Generation X into a PowerPoint file, let's say you want to take a look at a different filter. Instead of having to go into the age-based segmentation and unclick Millennials and Generation X, all you have to do is go over here and hit the reset button, and you're starting back at square one, where none of the filters have been selected, and you can just go in and look at whatever filter you want. Once again, this is Randy Wostrowski, director with the Spectrem Group. I hope to speak with you soon about our Wealthy Investor series and Spectrem's Visual Analytics technology. Thanks so much. Have a great day.